Have you ever been to an ocean? Yes, you might have. You might have sat on the rocks and played in the water. While doing this, you might have observed also that rocks are a little hotter than the water. Do you know why the reason is? Yes, it is the specific heat of the substance. Some substances gets more heated than the others. It is due to their nature. Specific heat of a substance is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of unit mass of the substance by 1 degree centigrade. Now we are going to find the specific heat of lead shots by using method of mixtures. Method of mixtures. When two or more bodies are brought into thermal contact, the net heat lost by the hot body is equal to the net heat gained by the cold body. Net heat lost is equal to net heat gain. By using this property, we are going to find the specific heat of lead shots using a calorimeter. We are using a calorimeter to find the specific heat of lead shots. While doing so, we are heating the lead shots and introducing into the water of the calorimeter. So, heat lost by the calorimeter is equal to the heat gained by water and the material of the calorimeter. Now we are going to find the specific heat of lead shots. For this, we are using calorimeter, which is insulated with an insulator and a beaker in there with stirrer and a thermometer and a lead shot in a boiling test tube, weighing machine and water and preheated boiler. Now we are weighing the dry and empty calorimeter jar with stirrer. Note it to be M1. Take some water in it and again note the value of water with calorimeter as M2. Now keep it in the calorimeter. While doing so, measure the temperature of it. Let it be T1. Now take the boiling test tube and keep it in the broiler. Wait for some time. Now I think it's ready. Before taking it, look at the temperature of it. Let it be T2. As soon as you measure the temperature, transfer the lead shots into the calorimeter. Without any loss in temperature, transfer it and close the jar. And stir it well. Now, get the final temperature of the water. Let it be T3. Note the temperature. Remove the jar along with the lead shots and water and note the final weight of the calorimeter. And while doing so, transfer the contents as soon as possible as the specific heat of lead shots are very less. Heat lost by substance is equal to net heat gain. The total heat lost by lead shots is equal to the heat gained by calorimeter along with the heat gained by water. So, we are calculating the specific heat of lead shots to be is equal to 0.0364 calories per gram degree centigrade. From calculation we got specific heat of lead to be 0.0364, whereas in the table we got it to be 0.031. That is an approximate value, not a problem. And look at the table. highest specific heat containing element is water. From this we can say water does not gain or lose its temperature faster. It is very slow than any other material in the table.